What's up, hustler? Welcome to MySideHustle.team. This is the ultimate all-in-one platform designed to help you generate multiple streams of passive income, all by sharing just one link. Whether you're an experienced affiliate marketer or just getting started, this system is built to maximize your earnings while simplifying the process of growing your business. Here's how this works. MySideHustle.team gives you access to over 40 different affiliate programs across 3 major categories. You can pick one category, 2 categories, or all of them to maximize your earning potential. From popular affiliate programs like OLSP, Live Good, and Got Back Up, to email management systems like GetResponse, traffic generation tools, and even crypto and stock portfolio management systems, you'll have a diverse range of ways to earn commissions. The best part? Every new member that you invite sees your affiliate links, meaning they can sign up under you and they can start building your downline automatically. Even better, when someone that you refer chooses not to sign up for a specific program, the next person they share their link with gets your affiliate link for that program. So nothing goes to waste, potentially exposing hundreds, if not thousands of people to your custom affiliate links. Here at MySideHustle.team, we're not just giving you links, we're setting you up for success. With step-by-step training and regular live sessions, a members lounge for networking and Q&A, and easy-to-use tools and access to training sessions. You'll have everything that you need to start earning passively and consistently. Plus, to kick things off, the first 1,000 members get free access. So don't miss out. Sign up today and start turning one simple link into a powerful income generation machine. There's a button below. Tap the button, get registered, and you are in the system. All the training is there, and we will see you on the inside. Let's go, hustlers, entrepreneurs. Welcome to MySideHustle.team.